6 questions you should be asking yourself about your passion. How well do you understand what you're passionate about? At first glance, this question might not seem necessary. After all, isn't it enough to know you're passionate about one thing? Maybe not. Consider this example. If your passion is gardening, it makes a big difference whether you're interested in growing plants indoors or outdoors, of whether you're into succulents or flowering plants or shrubs. While this line of questioning might seem relatively simple, sometimes honing in on your passion takes a little more thought. Let's explore some of the questions you should be asking yourself about your passion to help you sort out a little better exactly what it is you want to do most. What interests you the most? When you have many things that interest you, it might be challenging to hone them down. Start with a list. Write down the best of the best. Which things could you not live without? What do all the things you love have in common? Write down everything you feel passionate about. Now look for the theme. Is there everything on your list that has in common? Your true passion might be hiding, waiting to be discovered. Where is the excitement? Does anything you ever do have that "I can't wait to get started" component? What about your day do you eagerly anticipate? What if you had the time and money? Too much of our life revolves around the stuff we feel we should be doing. Imagine a free day where you have nothing else pressing and all the money you needed to do whatever you like. What are the first things you would do with your day? What's your story? Everyone has a certain theme they love when they watch movies or TV or read books. What's yours? Do you love the story about the little guy coming out ahead? The happy ever after storyline? Whatever you gravitate to already might hold the keys to passion. For example, if you love a story of redemption, how do you feel about helping people to receive a second chance? What future do you want? If you could go in a time machine and talk to the you of the future about today, what do you think they would thank you for about in this moment? What would make them happy? Your passion might lie doing something which will help you achieve a future goal. If these questions might steer you in the same direction over and over, then you've found your passion. If not, it's up to you to develop a passion out of something you're interested in or excited about right now. The key is to try and see where it takes you.